lot of hazard. And if the activity is coming in the hazard area of 50 to 100 meter, I think temporarily we have to prohibit this job until unless it is very, very important. And in that case, you have to take the approval from the company man and management of HEDNO, because we cannot allow, because this is the drop object, there is fall from height, so there is a heavy lifting is there, so we'll make it prohibition. Nipple up and down, Xmas tree and lifting activity. This is without hydrocarbon. This is a lifting activity. I don't want to allow any activity between 50 to 100 meter. Vijay, I need your help here. Or anybody? Okay. Anybody? Vijay?
Clear. Okay.
Yeah, because we cannot allow, man. Otherwise, this painful activity. So this is nipple up, down, BOP and lifting activity. Again, the same thing. If you are in the 100-meter radius, so we must.
Now here, this 100-meter radius is a thing which is confusing. Little bit. Rig boom for nipple up and nipple down is being taking place within the cell area, and you are telling 50 to 100 meter prohibited totally. I'm not understanding what is.
Okay, what I'm saying that if you are having lifting activity.
The same goes for rig up and down. It's going to be in the drill pad area only, right? Not in the construction area.
Oh, so if you feel that, I mean, why I'm putting a restriction? Because I'm saying that if these two activity, I will highlight here, just a minute. I will highlight this one. If this activity you are doing, let me completely highlight. If this activity you are doing, and at the same time, if this activity you are doing in 50 meter of radius, so do you allow? I don't think we should allow. Right, Vijay?
Vijay, the rig up and down is going to be inside the drill pad area, right? In your package 6 area.